Hi, I'm Michael from DeLonghi, and on this video I'm going to show you how to descale your Eletta Cappuccino bean to cup machine. You'll know it's time to descale because it keeps flashing on here. But before we start that, I want you to prepare a few things. First of all, let's get our water tap. To do that, you need to take off your milk carafe. Now we are going to need 100 ml of DeLonghi descaler. We're going to remove our water filter. And finally, we need a water container that's going to be big enough to catch this water that flows out. I'm going to use a 2-litre container. So to activate the descale process, I'm going to have to go through the menu. The menu button's here. And then I'm going to go to the arrow right, this one. It's now saying to descale. At this point, I can press OK. It's now asking me to confirm if I'm ready to descale. It's come up saying empty drip tray. So I'm going to do that now. The machine's now saying add descaler. Before I add my descaler, I'm going to take away the excess water that I've already had in here, and then I'm going to add my descaler with some fresh water. Remember, this is 100 ml. Take my descaler, just place it in. About a litre of water, and I'm going to go to the level that says B. Once I've done that, just place on the lid and put it back in our machine. At this point, you need to place your container underneath the 2 spouts. The machine now says add descaler. That's just checking that I've done it before I press OK. Now this process can take 45 minutes to complete, so don't worry if there's long pauses between the water coming out of the spouts. So the first part of our descale process is complete. The machine is now saying fill tank, but before we do that, we're going to move away the solution. I'm now going to take the tank out, and I'm going to give this a good rinse. I've cleaned my water tank, and now I'm going to fill it up with fresh water. This time I'm going to go to the max line. I have no solution in here, just fresh water. Going to place the lid back on top and put this straight back into the machine. It now says rinsing, press OK. But before I do that, I'm going to get my container, place it back underneath. This action could take some time, so don't worry if there's actually pauses in between the process. Our rinse cycle is complete. It says on the machine, rinsing complete, press OK. Just to let you know, I've done 2 rinse cycles. I started off with 1 cycle for descaler and then continued it with 2 full rinse cycles. When I press OK now, that's my descale complete. All I need to do is fill up my tank and make a coffee.